Hello everyone and welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. We've got a special wireless earbuds in our China office this week, and we are very excited to share it with you. Well, instead of telling you its name, we'd like to show it first. A lot of you will actually recognize this design when you see it. Since AirPods first came out in 2016, the wireless earbuds market has exploded with practically every known brand releasing in the market. But even with so many rivals from formidable brands, the Apple AirPods have managed to beat or at least compare to the best earbuds in the market today. 4.5 years later, Apple may be giving its legendary semi-in-ear TWS headphones an update, including a refreshed design. Yes, that's right, we're talking about the new AirPods that's expected to launch very soon. While we don't have the real AirPods 3, what we do have is a real-life lookalike for the upcoming Apple earbuds. Anyway, join us for an early look at the exciting possibility of the new AirPods, which should be called the AirPods 3. We have to remind you again that this should be a clone of the AirPods 3, but not the real Apple earbuds. So in this review, we will not discuss its sound quality, latency, or changes to the chip or power consumption. All subjective inferences are made only from the appearance of the model and interesting information we've got from the industry. It's clear that both the new AirPods themselves and the charging case inherit the design of the AirPods Pro. The case in our hands is wirelessly chargeable, which does not rule out the possibility of a wireless chargeable version like the AirPods 2. The case is a slightly different size from the previous AirPods, sitting somewhere in between AirPods 2 case and AirPods Pros. Other than that, it's hard to tell the difference between them. Now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. Looking at the notch on the earbud stem, the operation should be the same as the pressure sensing style. It has a slightly larger cavity and a shorter headset stem. When you put it on, the fit is definitely tighter, and thanks to the change in the center of gravity, the new AirPods 3 design will be less likely to fall off your ears. Well, this is a smart improvement, but because of this, it's also not as distinguishable as the wearing experience of the AirPods 1 and 2. Overall, it's still very comfortable, and this new AirPods design is probably an improvement made by Apple after hearing people's complaints about the previous generation's unstable fit. And it looks like this adjustment will help provide a better fit to a large number of users. What we're curious about is that the new earbuds design have a near identical opening of the cavity as the AirPods Pro. Also, the position of the IR sensor and the position of the filter on the bud stems are almost the same. Does this mean that Apple might implement active noise cancellation? It's not impossible to add active noise cancellation in a semi-in-ear design, like what we've seen on the Huawei FreeBuds 3, albeit a 15 decibel noise cancelling capacity. Or probably, Apple is trying to apply the removable ear tip design for the new AirPods. So the decision is up to users themselves if you prefer the in-ear design, then put it on the tips, and at the same time enjoy a better performance of noise cancelling. And if you do not like the in-ear tips, just remove them at the cost of a slightly weak ANC performance. But Apple may have found a solution for ANC to work in the semi-in-ear design, so we'll have to wait and see what kind of solution Apple implements on the upcoming AirPods. However, we still think that if Apple adds ANC to AirPods 3, it would overlap with the AirPods Pro product positioning. So why is Apple launching the new AirPods? We think the new AirPods probably solve two problems. One is an improved design that will allow more people to wear the AirPods with a better fit. And another one is to stimulate the semi-in-ear headphone market with a new look, and possibly with a reliable noise cancellation performance. If you're not in a hurry to buy semi-in-ear earbuds, I think it's worth waiting for them. After all, if Apple makes them, it means this design is ready. As for what's new about the sound and call quality, there is no solid evidence suggesting any improvements, but we'll get the real new AirPods Pro as soon as possible after its launch, and we will bring you guys a full review. So please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with us, and if you like the information that we shared with you, please give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. This is Kieran from Gizmochina, and we'll see you soon.